that my idea of a luxury perfume that you're spending over $100 on, you should smell me when I walk into the room. Hey, sweetie fam. Welcome back to my channel. I'm favorite page Denise, produced by Zenny Productions. This here is my sweet tea. Just because it's tea does not mean it's gossip. Hey, and if you have not been here before, go down to the subscribe button, click the bell so you can be notified, okay? Because I do drop a video every Thursday at 4 p.m. and on this channel I talk about sneakers, fashion, and luxury lifestyle, and you know, we get busy over here about all of those things. Now I do drop bonus content. That's why you need to click the bell, because I actually kind of drop bonus content often. Every holiday I like to get a new gift, specifically smells goods. I am growing my perfume collection tremendously, okay? And so far I have 3 perfumes and then 2 lotions that came with the perfumes. I really like those smells. I'm learning the difference between toilettes and perfumes, and I'm just getting into it, right? So for Valentine's Day, and I know I'm late. You like Valentine's Day? That was like 2 or 3 months ago. Girl, I know, okay? I received this perfume, okay? Let's get into the box. Look how pretty. Let me see. Can I? The light, y'all, it's not doing its, oh, there we go. It's not doing its justice. So we're just gonna give this box a cute little twirl, okay? The light is not doing this any justice. We'll put a picture of the actual box right here. This perfume is a Versace Bright Crystal. And let me tell you about this. This is a toilette, meaning it does not last as long. So let me tell you. Little story time. I wanted a perfume, or should I say my husband wants to buy me a perfume for Valentine's Day because he knows I'm growing my perfume collection. And I'm like, okay, cool. Let's go. And look, I went to Macy's first because my first perfume, my first luxury perfume, y'all know luxury is what you make it, but my first luxury perfume, which was Tiffany & Co., but it was Tiffany in Love, Tiffany & Co.'s collection, Tiffany in Love, and I love the way it smells. However, it does not last as long, but I really love the way it smells, and that's just on period, okay? And then when I went to New Orleans, I bought Coach's perfume. That, oh my God, that smells so good, and it lasts long. And then I got Glam by BB, which I got from like Ross. You know how they have in the little containers in Ross or whatever. That is the one perfume that lasts the longest. And most people smell it like, oh my God, you smell so good. What is, you know, what do you have on? So it was just time for another one. It was time for another one, okay? So I went smelling all these perfumes. I really didn't like anything. And y'all be talking about the Marc Jacobs and all that. The Marc Jacobs perfume stank. Okay, stank. That's what it does. It stank, okay? Stank. Now, I was going to get, it was either the Chanel or Dior one. One of those smell good. However, I forgot that Sephora has perfumes and colognes as well. We went into Sephora, and not the Sephora attached to JCPenney, but the actual Sephora store, or the bigger Sephora store. I smell quite a few perfumes, and I don't know what y'all be talking about, but a lot of those perfumes stank. So I already know that this ain't gonna be a thing. Like, this is not, I'm not gonna have as many perfumes or smells that I would like to have because they don't smell like good. Like, my idea of a luxury perfume that you're spending over $100 on, you should smell me when I walk into the room. And it's a lasting smell, and it's a smell you won't forget. That's not what the girls were giving with these different perfumes, right? So I finally got to a brand that I like. I literally smelled so many perfumes, okay? I finally got to one I like, which is a Versace one, and I heard your girls talking about it. However, I forgot this was a Toilette, and I started researching more about the toilettes and the difference between toilets and the perfume afterwards. Versace Bright Crystal was the one that I chose. This box is gorgeous. It is to die for, okay? And we're gonna open it up, okay? I literally have had this box since Valentine's Day, and I haven't opened it up. And I have been itching. I was like, oh, maybe I could just open it up. I said, you know what? Nope. I'm going to save it. So, y'all, charge to my head, not to my heart. Okay? So maybe, oh, well, maybe the plastic was holding it back. But it is such a cute box. It is pink on top and it ombres into the white. And it has like this mermaid pattern here. Silver and then mermaid pattern on the bottom. Okay. Now, I don't know if y'all watch Lizzo, Watch Out for the Big Girls. And they talked about how Lizzo smelled very, very good. A lot of the girls did when she would come into the house. And she talked about how she used oils and something else. So I'm thinking about getting into more oils than actual perfume. If you're from the city, which is Chicago, oils is the best route. So I may start getting into oils rather than an actual like luxury perfumes, because luxury perfumes are great, but they don't smell good. Like, they don't smell as well as they should for over $100. Okay, again, y'all, luxury is what you make it. So let's pull this joker out. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at this. Look how gorgeous this is. This is so cute. Oh, it has like this oval shape, kind of, I guess, diamond. Look like Power Rangers. If you know, you know. Don't come for me. If you know, you know. Okay. It has the Versace logo there. I can see that. Oh yeah, this smells real good. Yeah, it does. It's very light, but it's refreshing. The smells are slightly different than the Tiffany & Co. I definitely will be wearing this on a regular basis. This is actually, I'm gonna be honest, this is something I probably would wear to bed. Not saying it won't get to be worn during the day, but it's definitely giving a, you know, let's get in the bed type smell. This is really, really, it smells really, really good. And I like the look of the container. Versace, okay, I see you. This was over $100. It's about $120 something. It is the 3 ounce, 90 milliliters. Okay. And adding another one to the clip. And I'm actually very happy with the collection that I do have. As I said before, I probably will get more into oils than perfumes because I'm not really smelling something that is, you know, worth me spending $100. Like, it actually stinks to me. So we're gonna keep looking. Next, I think my next pickup will be the YSL brand. My husband actually picked up a travel spray one just to see how, you know, see if he would like it to buy the actual big one. It actually smells really, really good. So that one, and then another one of the Coach. Coach has a really good brand, and then the Glam by BB and the Viva La Juicy. So like, I want to have multiple, but I also, if they smell good, I want more of the ones that I already have. I know, right? Do y'all like Versace? And if you do, have you tried the bright blue? Have you tried the Versace Bright Crystal? Because it's definitely a winner. It definitely got you smelling right and tight all in here, okay? All in here, okay? If you have not been here before, go down to the subscribe button. Click the bell so you can be notified, because I do drop a video every Thursday at 4 p.m. On this channel, we talk about sneakers, fashion, and luxury lifestyle, because luxury is what you make it, and that is on period. I do drop bonus content, which is why you need to click the bell, okay? Y'all, I am favorite page Denise, and y'all be sweet.